Karnataka has been a very progressive industrial state in the country. The government of Karnataka have been taking various steps for the development of MSMEs, promotion of MSMEs. Karnataka has the largest number of engineering colleges in the country. This has a huge potential for development of entrepreneurship in the city. A proactive ecosystem builds on the available resources and supports each other for benefit of growth of both the institutions as well as the MSMEs. Lastly, the most important player in an MSME ecosystem is the industry association. The industry association plays a very keen role which provides the context and the platform. It is found that wherever the industry association is very aggressive and proactive, the MSMEs are doing very well. Educated and qualified women can set up larger industries and they can contribute to the economy. But the social norms and pressures such as lack of mobility and lack of assets that has been created in the name hamper the growth of these women. So hence a very structured way of supporting these women is very essential. Stakeholder engagement from the beginning is very crucial for the success of a program, because when there is active engagement in it, they provide inputs, crucial inputs, suggest course corrections. Both the cohort members and the stakeholders develop comfort working with each other and they develop ownership. This cohort has been created by game after a lot of thought, and it brings in a lot of resources and experience, and a number of stakeholders are involved. And I am sure the cohort members will gain a lot from the inputs, the peer-to-peer learning, and also the tie-ups which the cohort can bring up, the networking that the cohort can bring up. So all the best.
Accelerator Bangalore. Get, set, grow.